welcome to the course. Welcome to the course Quick Money Making Model 2018. Everybody wants to earn extra money, especially the passive way of making good money. Now, passive method is automatic money generating system which gets you income even when you are not actively working for it. The cool thing about this is that you can start on passive way from a small time idea. So you will start as a part-timer, gradually moving upwards to a full-time passive income generator. In this course, I will teach you 5 different models with many methods to start generating money, and you can start earning within few days. Another exciting news for you is that you don't need any investment. You don't need any experience. You don't need any fixed working hours. You don't need any physical products. And you don't need any technical knowledge to start this business. This course for you is a complete 5-star course. This course is for newbie to online money making system and models. Anyone can start making money today. A student, a working person, an entrepreneur, a housewife, anyone who wants to make extra income and is willing to work little extra. Please hit the buy button now and start making money today. And don't forget to ask me any questions in Q&A section of this course to help you in your success and also to improve this course for you. Happy earning!